The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 28, Encouragement of Bodhisattva Samantabhadra. Long, long ago, the thought of highest complete enlightenment awakened in you, and you made this vow of transcendent power: I will protect this sutra. Through my transcendent powers, I will protect the one who holds to the name of Bodhisattva Samantabhadra. O Samantabhadra, if there is anyone who preserves, recites, correctly remembers, practices, and copies this Lotus Sutra, they should know that they will meet the Buddha Shakyamuni and hear this sutra from the mouth of the Buddha. By this they should know that they are paying homage to the Buddha Shakyamuni. They should know that they will be praised by the Shakyamuni Buddha with the word splendid. They should know that the hand of the Buddha Shakyamuni will caress their heads. They should know that they will be clad in the robe of the Buddha Shakyamuni. Such people are not attached to worldly pleasures. They dislike heretical scriptures and writings. They are not pleased to consort with heretics, wicked people, butchers, those who keep boars, sheep, chickens, or dogs, hunters, or those who make a living by pandering. They will be honest in mind and will have correct recollection and the power of merit. They will not be troubled by the three kinds of poison, nor will they be confused by jealousy, selfishness, false pride, or arrogance. Having little desire, they can know satisfaction and practice the practice of Samantabhadra. O Samantabhadra, if you meet anyone who preserves and recites the Lotus Sutra 500 years after the parinirvana of the Tathagata, you should think like this: this man will, before long, approach the terrace of enlightenment, destroy the hosts of Mara, attain highest complete enlightenment, turn the wheel of the Dharma, beat the drum of the Dharma, blow the conch of the Dharma, pour down the rain of the Dharma, and will sit on the lion seat of the Dharma in the great assembly of devas and humans. O Samantabhadra, those who preserve and recite this sutra in the future world will not be greedy for clothes, bedding, food and drink, and the necessities of life. Their aspirations will not be unrewarded, and their happy reward will be attained in this world.